Good morning, dear students of class 8. Welcome to the English online learning class. Today we are going to take up revision of the lesson Children at Work by Geeta Wolf, Anushka Ravishankar, Arijit Singh. Well, students, let us look at this lesson again. We have already done the video based on this lesson and question answers. Let us revise this lesson again, as your periodic tests uh, of English are scheduled. Velu was an 11-year-old boy. So this story is about a boy who is 11 years old, Velu, and who had run away from home. He ran away from his home and he took a train and he reached Chennai Central in Kanyakumari Express train without a ticket. He was not having a ticket with him and he was traveling in the Kanyakumari Express and he reached Chennai Central Station. Now, traveling without a ticket is wrong. But he had no money for the ticket as he had run away from home. And luckily he was not caught because the ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment in which he was traveling. He tried to sleep on the floor near the door of the compartment, of the unreserved compartment. But there were a group of men who were playing cards and they were shouting while playing cards, and which made him sleepless. He was not able to sleep. So after getting off from the train, he reached the platform and he sat on a bench on the platform, putting his small bundle down. He was carrying with him a small bundle which contained his clothes. In all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people. He had never come to a big city, so he had never seen so many people. This was the first time he was seeing so many people. He watched them very carefully and he felt the noise miserable, really disturbing. There was so much of noise at the platform. He was feeling miserable and exhausted. He was very tired, exhausted, tired, and he was really feeling very bad. Why? He had not eaten anything, but only some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. 2 days he was traveling and he had not eaten anything. So he was very hungry. In the small bundle which he had, he carried a shirt, a towel, and a comb in his bundle. Velu was awakened by a rough voice. Suddenly, he was awakened. He was dozing off to sleep. He was woken up by a rough voice. When he turned around, he saw a girl of his own age. He saw there was a girl who was of his own age. She was wearing a banyan that reaches her knees. She was wearing a banyan and which was very long up to her knees. And her hair was stiff and brownish. She had a huge sack on one shoulder. She was carrying a big sack on one shoulder. And she was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and she was stuffing them into her sack. Now she asked his name. She started talking to Velu. She asked his name and also she inquired whether he had run away from his home. Yes, he had run away. But Velu didn't want to share his secret with this strange girl. He did not know this girl. So he thought that he should not tell her about this secret, that he had ran away from home because he couldn't bear his father's beating him for one more day. So his father used to drink and beat him. So fed up of his father's beatings, he decided to leave his house. His father would snatch all the money Velu and his sisters earned and spend it on drinks. So his father was a drunkard, and whatever Velu and his sisters earned, he snatched them and he used to spend it on drinks. The girl asked about his plan, but he didn't answer. So the girl wanted to know from him, what is he thinking of doing? But Velu did not answer. When he felt hunger pinching him, the girl told him she can find some food if he wants. So this girl said that if he wants food, she can help him in finding food. It was still morning, but Velu's bare feet burned as the sun blasted down on the tar, and he was soaked with sweat. So he was walking with her on the road. The sun was burning the road of coal tar. They were very hot, and as Velu was bare feet, his feet were burning, and he was soaked with sweat. It was very hot. They passed through the crowded streets, huge buildings, shops with signboards in English Central Jail written in Tamil. And Velu could read it in Tamil. Velu could see in the crowded streets there were huge buildings and shops with signboards which were written in English. But he passed the Central Jail, where Central Jail was written in Tamil, and Velu could read it because he knew Tamil, little bit of Tamil. She warned him that he should be very careful, as he could be caught by police. Now, as they passed the Central Jail, the girl said that you should be very careful, as police can catch you. Probably seeing his clothes, tattered clothes. He was thinking about the food, and after an hour, they stopped in front of a big building, which was an auditorium, a marriage hall. Shri Raja Rajeshwari Prasanna Kalyana Mandapam. So she took him in front of her building it was a big building, and it was a marriage hall. Shri Raja Rajeshwari Prasanna Kalyana Mandapam. And he read the names of the groom and bride. So marriage was going on. And he saw big cars parked outside. So it was a big, grand wedding. Now Velu was happy because the girl was taking him there. Probably he would get a chance to eat food. When the girl told him to come, looking at the huge hall and people inside, he asked, "Are we going to eat here?" So she took him inside, and where did she take him? She led him behind the hall, where huge garbage bin was overflowing with rubbish. So she took him in front of a huge garbage bin, which was full of rubbish. Two goats were standing on the pile, fighting for a banana leaf. Two goats were also standing there, and they were fighting for a banana leaf. She picked up a squashy banana and held it out to him and told him, "Here is your food." So she took out a banana which was squashed up badly, and she said, "Take this as your food." So he had a banana and a vada, and she had only a banana. There was no alternative but to accept this food. So Velu ate it. Velu remarked that houses are strange because in his village the houses are made of mud and palm leaves. So she took him to her house where she lived, and these houses looked very strange because in his village the houses were made of mud and palm leaves. Jia went around to one of the huts, dumped her sack outside, and picked up an empty one and told, let's. So, in one of the huts, probably which was her house, she just kept the sack and then picked up another empty one and she said, come with me. She threw him a pair of old shoes without laces, pushed a sack and a stick into his hand, and told to go with her. She said, you come with me. And she gave him a sack, old shoes, which did not have laces, and a stick. Velu was confused and thought about the work which she wanted him to do with those things. Now Velu was very much confused. What sort of work was she wanting him to do? He has never done this work. The only work he had ever done was on the landlord owner's farm, and this was beating and taking cows out to graze. In the village, he used to do this work. So he asked this girl, and her name was Jaya, are there any farms in the city? Because he wanted to work in farms. He had only done that work. She laughed at this and told him there are no farmers there and they were rat pickers. She told him that they pick garbage and they are rat pickers. Velu had never heard a thing that people collect things from rubbish bins. This was the first time Velu was hearing that even from garbage, people are collecting things. She tried to tell him that this is not rubbish they are collecting, but they are collecting only paper, plastic, glass, and other things. He was confused. She told him that they sell all these things to Jam Bazaar, Jakku. He asked her who he is and why is he busy all these, because he had heard of only people throwing away rubbish, not buying them. He had never heard that people buy rubbish. And here Jagu was buying rubbish. She explained to him that after buying, he sells it to factory. Jia told she had no time to waste like him, but Velu didn't move from there. So Jia also told him that she cannot waste time. She has lot of work to do. And now Velu was confused. He was thinking that he hadn't run away and come to this new place to dig through the garbage bin. So, has he come to this place, run away from his home to do this work of a rag picker? But then he decided to go with this girl. Because for the time being, till he finds another work, he is going to work as a rag picker. Only for the time being till he finds another work. So we have revised this lesson, children, and note down the important points of this lesson. Thank you.